Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a BongaCams hack where you can actually go ahead and get unlimited tokens in 2024. So what you want to do is go to this site called HexMods and find the BongaCams, press on it, press the download button, and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out. See you guys in another video. But that's how you can get tokens for free on the BongaCams, guys. So it actually works. It's super insane. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super crazy and it's a fully updated and working method, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's super cool. And yeah, if you're someone that needs this type of stuff done to you and you need some tokens, I mean, by all means, be my guest. Try it out. It's super crazy. This is an updated and fully working tutorial. And it's super cool. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So yeah, you just gotta go to HexMods and you can download it. So hope you guys enjoyed. There's no other way to do this that I know of right now. But yeah, this actually works, guys. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. Totally updated. And if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. Totally working, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. Totally updated and everything. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super crazy and it's totally working and everything. So if the video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and get the word out. See you guys in another video and peace out.